Afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 English test of oral past question. Question number 29 says we should look out for the option that contains the same consonantal sound as in the given word. Particularly, the underlying letters must be put into cognizance. The underlying letters here are R and R. Letter R and R. And this word, people pronounce it as arrest, but the correct pronunciation is arrest. 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 So option A is pronounced as le. Le. Option B is pronounced as shed. Shed. Option C is pronounced as rue. Rue. Option D is pronounced as spare. Spare. So by this we find out that the letter R in the transcription of the word arrest is not silent, or one of the letter R is not silent, and in the transcription of the word rule, the letter R is not also silent in option C. Therefore, option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.